Let's admit it. We can't really get things if we don't ask for them. If you don't ask people to subscribe, chances are they won't really subscribe to your YouTube channel. But you might feel awkward about begging people to subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Okay.
What if there is a better way? A button right below your video at the right corner that always says subscribe. In this video you'll learn how to add a button just like that. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. How good is that? Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new. Okay, so the first thing you gotta know about the subscribe button, it won't work on mobile, meaning mobile users won't see it, but the way to do it is here. Okay, so what you do is from YouTube.com, just go ahead, click the right button, click the button right here. Then want to click on YouTube Studio, and from here you just click on settings, then you click on channel, branding, and here you can either have your logo or you can have the subscribe button. To do that, gotta click this, the entire video. You wanna have it in the entire video, click replace, then just upload this image, right, that says subscribe. The whole video to say subscribe, this button. And if I click save, I'll have it. The thing here is you might be wondering, well, how can I get a subscribe, image that is transparent? And I've got some good news for you. I have one in the description down below. It will say subscribe link is here or something, and it will be one that I'll provide you with. You shouldn't have any copyright issues whatsoever, and you can download it from there. You don't want to have to go to any sketch websites or whatever. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next episodes. All you gotta do is comment your YouTube username or what your YouTube account is about in the comments down below, and you'll be shouted out. The shout out winner on this episode is... Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you should check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.